Hey everyone, enjoy the show. Mantiques Network, how you doing? Continuing with our bathroom signs here, restroom signs. We have a local partner here, part of the Mantiques Network here in Orange, that produces some really cool replicas as time of really high quality. So what we have here is 20-inch heavy gauge metal men and women's flange signs from Handcock Oil Company. You would have found these in the gas station. These are period correct. The way that he does them makes it look like they are porcelain signs, as they would have been back in the day. But very, very cool. We've got them priced, making them very affordable. And if you're looking for something with just a great design or something for your gas and oil, this might be for you.
These are antiques. These are mantiques. Antique, mantique. These guys sell mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the